One of the first things that I learned about this Tesla Model 3 is that this center screen is a huge fingerprint magnet and really bad on glare. So one of the first accessories that we're going to be adding to this car is a screen protector, and we're going to show you how we're going to go ahead and install it. So we're going to go ahead and open this package. I wish I could tell you the brand name of this particular screen protector that we purchased, but it's we purchased it off of Amazon, and it's a name I can't pronounce. So I'm not even going to try. So what do we have in the box? Let me turn this camera this way.
This looks like a little razor blade.
No, this is going to be for smoothing out bubbles on
Oh no, you're right. It's not a razor blade with a cover. It's a tool. All right, this is, let me make sure I have all the things. Okay, that's now empty. This is installation auxiliary tools.
We'll just set that there.
Instructions.
Okay, hopefully yes, they are in English.
A foam protector.
Packaging. And this is the reason that I picked this one, is this thing right here. This is a guide that will clip onto the screen, and that way we don't have to worry about lining it up.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right.
So let's take a look at the instructions and see what they say.
All right. It starts with 5. There we go. So 1, clean up the screen with accessories. So
let's open up. We're going to go ahead and open up this package of auxiliary tools. And it says on it, try to get this in the shot, Step 1, please use professional screen cleaning kit and electrostatic dust removing film to clean the screen. Peel film precisely and slowly align the screen protector. Use your finger to press the central part. Make sure screen protector automatically attach on screen. And use finger to remove small bubbles. So let's open up this professional screen cleaning kit and dust removing film to clean the screen. All right, so this is a cleaning wipe. This is a cleaning cloth. And this is the dust remover, which is otherwise known as a sticker.
Yeah, that's true. All right.
So we're going to unfold the dust wipe, and then...
Oh, we need to go to the cleaning mode.
So before we start cleaning, we're going to go ahead and put this in screen clean mode. And hopefully there you can see some of the fingerprints.
Yeah, there's a lot of fingerprints, but we're going to clean them off
with the wipe that was supplied in the kit. Because the whole point of getting the screen protector is to not have a whole bunch of fingerprints blocking the view, and having fingerprints permanently protected underneath it would be bad.
That would be bad.
So then we can probably use that cloth, and I'm going to get the dust remover film up here. And this is just a sticker that's right here. We'll remove dust from the screen. Yeah, it's like the same concept as a lint roller, right?
All right, so then it says we want to do this before it gets dusty.
Fit the guide in the frame. This little blue thing is peeling the screen film off.
Right.
So let's line that up, and then go ahead and peel that off.
Do I want to do that first?
Yes, you do, because you're not going to be able to do it once you've got it on.
Okay.
Because, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to take this frame and clip it on the screen.
Press the label arrow first, then press 2, 3 in sequence.
Oh, 2, 3, and then...
And then you just pull it off.
Pull off this one. pull the frame off.
And then use
And
your
now
fingers. There's a little
they
tool
gave us
guide.
this little tool. And I'm going to use this little tool.
You want to start from the center. You don't move that. Yeah. Start from the center. Start from the center. This is what I've been told by people who do this kind of work. I'm going to move it over. See how that bubble is kind of moving? We're going to get it over there to the edge. There. So it just pops right on out like that. You have to press quite firmly. But it does eventually
Get
go
there.
out. I think that's it.
I think that's it. So hold the exit. And there's our screen. And yeah, it cuts down on glare. If I do this, I did not leave fingerprints on it, so we don't have fingerprint issues. That pretty much handle it. And it's a nice, clear view of the screen. And I'm looking at the GoPro, which is counting time. And this video is edited down, so it took us longer than what this video is going to show. But right now it says 12 minutes and 18 seconds, just right then when I said it. So it took us about 12 minutes, and that included the unboxing and figuring stuff out and cleaning the screen like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
So,
well, you know.
but it's not a major thing, and it's going to be a huge help, and it's going to be a huge because the screen already looks easier for me to read from the driver's seat. What about you?
Yeah, it's definitely more matte. It doesn't have the glare that I had before, and like you said, it's not showing the fingerprints, and so that was cool. Yeah.
So again, I mean, I bought this myself, and so not any kind of affiliation or anything like that. This fingerprints were bothering me enough that I used my own money to do it. But if I can't tell you the brand name. It was just in Amazon, and I could not read it. I'll put the brand name up in a graphic so that you know which one it is. But that's that. Hope you found this video with a lot of crinkling in the back.
Sorry, I'm messing with the packaging. Hope you found this video informative or entertaining. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff.
And thanks for watching.